This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone. Enable app installs from unknown sources or a trusted third-party store so the emoji pack can be added. Make sure you back up your keyboard and emoji settings because replacements can be persistent and free roughly 200 MB of space for the pack. Once done, confirm your device runs Android 8.0 or later. This reduces font conflicts and ensures modern emoji rendering. These steps prevent simple failures and speed the rest of the process. You now install the iPhone-style emoji font. Download a matching iOS emoji APK or font file for your Android version to avoid mismatches, and then use a system-level tool, Magisk module if rooted, or a font installer app that supports non-root methods to replace the system emoji. Make sure to follow prompts and grant necessary permissions, and then reboot the device so the new glyphs load. After reboot, select the updated font or keyboard so your apps display the new emoji. You finish by verifying emoji display across key apps, test messages, WhatsApp, and social apps to confirm consistent rendering. If you see blank boxes or mismatched icons, restore your backup, uninstall the font, and try a different package that matches your Android build. Font incompatibility is the usual culprit. Make sure to keep the original font backup and reapply or update your emoji module after Android security updates, so the replacement stays functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.